Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is V. Thank you for stopping by my channel. In today's video, it's another Mcgrath Celestial Divinity palette eyeshadow look, and the number 3 color is called Major Mahogany. Major Mahogany is the 3rd color and it is a brown color. I will swatch for you. This is the color Major Mahogany. That's the 3rd color in the palette, and as I said before, I will be doing all 18 colors. This is what the 3rd color look like. And this one right here. It is very, very pretty in person. In my mirror, we again ready to start. I don't know what I have in mind, but I gotta use that color. It is a matte color. These shadows are pretty. They blend well. They are pigmented. It is just beautiful. That's my only Mcgrath palette because that's the only one I could afford. Well, I didn't buy it, but if I had to buy it, it would have been the only one I can afford. This was given to me by one of my children for my birthday last year. I'm putting more on my lids. I need my lids to have the most color of that brown. It's like a reddish brown. It has red in it, so it's a warm brown. Oh my god, I am here talking and there is no microphone plugged in. The The first part of the video might be very low because I forgot to put on my microphone. So I hope you can hear everything in the first part of the video. I am making my lids darker because that's where I want most of the brown color. And a small brush to do the corner because my hooded eyes have to go like this so I can see the corner because it's covered right here, if you can see. Oh boy, the ducks are flying. Okay, now that we have the outer corner darkened, I'm going to go back on the lids and put a little bit more color. I'm just blending and fixing it. And everything to look seamless. We are looking like this for now. We still gotta fix and clean. need to put on my earrings. And this is today's eye look. I used the third color from the Mcgrath Labs Celestial Divinity eyeshadow palette. Again, there are 18 pans. I plan to do one every day. Today I used the brown one and I showed you what it looks like in the beginning. And the name of the brown one again is Major. It is called Major Mahogany, and this is what I came up with. The brown, not the outer corner, but the rest of my eyes. The outer corner I put another color to darken it up, but the brown is what we're working with today. This is today's look. If you're enjoying these videos, give me a thumbs up. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first, love self plenty, take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Third color from the 18 pan palette. My natural ladies, you can rock that. In the tear duct, I just took a little bit of the purple and I put in the tear duct and underneath the waterline. That's the only difference, but we're working with one color. And that's that. Tie my hair again. It's been a while. I haven't used my hair ties, so I'm getting back to tying every now and then. Might not be every day, but every now and then. Again, thank you very much. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.